A wave of public outrages exploded across Zimbabwe after Finance Minister Mnangagwa proposed a new tax on ATM cash withdrawals, a move analysts warn would push more people out of the formal banking system at a time when monthly withdrawals have already surged to $346 million, up from $260 million at the start of the year. Sanabina mashoko budapangwa inatuna kuzimbaire challenges elite ATM cash withdrawals no subscribe oleko on the bell icon. Deep down on mobile conscience, while the treasury argues the measure will keep speculative behavior. The response from citizens, business owners, and political leaders has been swift, fair, and deeply revealing of the country's long-running mistrust of banking sector. In quotes, yet Shiva is giving $50K in cash. Are they blind or what? Others questioned why businesses that genuinely need cash for transactions should be punished. Why would a business want to withdraw more than $5,000 unless it is to speculate? In manufacturing sector, stakeholder fired back sharply. This guy is either ignorant or out of touch. Suppliers demand cash. They are key inputs. You can't afford to delay. People will stop banking money if they proceed with this arrogance. Another user summarized the prevailing mood. Zimbabweans are not stupid. They don't put money in the banks because government will punish them. Opposition Fadzai Mahere has issued a blustering public statement directed at Finance Minister George Gomatanga challenging the state's silence on elite cash withdrawals. The real question, who is the banking system built for? The online backlash is crystallized a fundamental crisis of trust. Other citizens face limits on cash withdrawals, invasive taxation, and punitive charges, while politically connected individuals routinely display access to vast sums of untraceable cash. The public is now openly questioning who withdrew the $100,000 cash pesos seen at political rallies. Why are some businessmen delivering $50,000 cash gifts while banks restrict ordinary customers to 20 to 50 withdrawals? Why is the proposed tax aimed at the bottom, not the top? These questions are not going away. Thomas Mudapangwa ine aka director aiwa kuna finance minister with the finance ministry. Bina kwa section midubo za mafunzo eima tulipa msoro vichitu kuichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.